This is a farmer's market, Zelny, and it's full of people selling their produce. It's amazing, it's sunny, it's really nice. Look at this beauty. Here is a pussy willow. Here is my mom. Ahoj.
Ahoj, ty máš už tady to bude.
Máme Easter stuff. Herbs. Nice spring flowers. Lovely colors. Looks like this statue is holding a pigeon. In the summer you will see water right there. It's a nice fountain. And she's still holding the pigeon. Now they're flying off. Beautiful sunny day. And my mom and my aunt. These are Czech style food trucks. We have some sausages, meat, and here I'm not sure what they have. And we go to this restaurant Špalíček for lunch. So this is the Zelny, the farmer's market or cabbage market, and here is the restaurant Špalíček. Restaurace Špalíček. That's one of my favorite, and it has a beautiful view of tvaroh right here. So anyone who is looking for Czech meals, you come here, and during lunchtime from 11 until 2 they serve what's called menu, and it's all typical Czech food. This costs 99 crowns, which is about $5. And here is all the typical Czech food from 11 until 2, like I said. And my mom and my aunt are laughing at me because I speak English and they don't know what I'm saying. And this is like breaded fried cheese, goulash, řízek, schnitzel, all of the favorites. And so this is a specialty during those hours, so make sure to check it out. And there is also a soup coming with it. So the soup of the day, I think it's a beef soup with noodles. And here is the rest. Here's my aunt. I'm going to enjoy it. Ahoj. And my mom. Ahoj.
Ahoj.
So my mom got the schnitzel, pork schnitzel with potatoes, and my aunt got breaded fried mushrooms with tartar sauce and fries, and I'm waiting for my dish. And I got a beef goulash, and look at this huge plate. Wow, that's a big portion. The ice creams are getting ready for us. We ordered ice cream, and I wanted to show you, they have amazing stuff. Look at these cakes, just so much. Crepes, delicious and beautiful. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? It's hard to choose. Oh wow, just this is art, truly art. Beautiful. This is Aida, and they make their own ice cream, and it's all good and delicious, and pastries and yum. Check this out. This is just incredible. This is not on the menu. You can just ask for ice cream, pick 2 or 1 or 3 or 4, and have whipped cream with it, and this is how they bring it, and we cannot wait. Here is my amazing Aunt Marcelka, and look what she prepared for me. Oh my goodness. But I wanted to show you, many of you know her as amazing egg decorator with a straw technique. So look at this. Here is her station. Here she works. These are all naturally dyed eggs. And look at this, like to connect all this that it will work. It's just incredible art because every egg is a different size. So this is just incredible. And here they're all naturally dyed. So this is in red cabbage. This is saffron. This is in walnuts. This is a brown egg in a red cabbage. This is manzanita, which is a bush that has a red bark. So look at this amazing, beautiful eggs. One of these just takes her about 17 hours to make because they're all incredible. This one is actually called a snake design. Look at this. And because it's round, it should protect your house. So this is a great symbol, and the detail is unbelievable. I'm just blown away. And I have to be super careful. Or these flowers, just amazing. And I'm about to get some food. Look at this. Yum. So Slavek, Marcelka's husband, is incredible wood carver, and look at what he made. This is incredible tower, but it even has a stairs inside. But look at this. He made everything by hand. He chiseled this whole thing out. He even made these straps. And look, they even have something to eat. It's just incredible work of art. Look at these details. I'm just blown away. Such a talented people. Talentiste. Slavek actually specializes in nativity. So this is a Mary and he's working on her. She's not finished yet. And he just is doing it for a couple years now. That's it. And he's this good. It takes a long time and he's not selling it because he's making it also for museums or showcases. You know how much work this is. This is actually original as it should be long time ago, as it was long time ago, even with these breaks. Look at this incredible work of this carriage. And here is what he followed, how it's supposed to be. I'm just amazed. All these details that went into it. Just incredible. These are the breaks. Also, this collar is also made following the original. This is a different one, but Slavek was making this one, and check this out. It's right here. There you have it. This elevator has been here for almost 40 years, and this is as old the building is. And we live in a 4th floor. This is how it looks, and then it continues to the 7th floor. And they're about to do a big construction, and we will have a brand new elevator, and it should be bigger. So I will show you how it goes. And let's wait for it to arrive. It's not easy to move anything like furniture because it's super tiny. So this will be a huge help for everyone. And here are the stairs, and we will be enduring stairs for a month. So here it is. This is how tiny it is. Let's go. Now here we go. As you see, there's not much space, so it should be bigger, which will be really nice, and it will be interesting exercise for a month to climb those stairs. So these are the sounds of the elevator being renovated. It's getting closer. We have already a new door. I mean inside door. Here is the old door. Almost there. And I wanted to show you also the type of stairs we have to climb. Look at this. But luckily we lived in a 4th floor, but there are people who have to go into a 7th floor, and that is really hard. And it's hard to do because it's lots of stairs. Now we have new elevator, so I wanted to show you there's no more space in the back as it was open, because this way the elevator is actually longer. So it's right here, it opens, and it's amazing. Look at this, there's a mirror right here. So I press 0, close the door, then load it. And it actually goes into -1, which is the basement where people have their storage. And it used to only go into 0, so now this is a bonus. Right here, I'm at the 0 now.